Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Instagram's latest update is all about bringing a touch of gold to your notes. Want to stand out in your followers' feeds? I got you. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your regular notes into something special with just a few taps. This is one of the coolest features Instagram has added in a while. So let's jump right in and get your notes flowing. First things first, once you have opened up your Instagram app, head over to your DMs. Then go to the note. You must add the word gold in your note to avail the gold option. Then click on share. See? Your note has turned into gold. How awesome is that? Your Instagram notes are now shining in gold. If you had fun learning this new trick, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are looking to keep up with the latest Instagram updates, be sure to subscribe. There's so much more to come and you don't want to miss it. Till then, goodbye.